Fall 2024 Question 2. This sits in Category 2, Multiple Decrement and Timing, difficulty rung 1 on the prior exam ladder. Recognition cue, competing decrements with a timing assumption trap. STEM focus, 5-year CI multiple decrement table, claim probs, mid-year timing for forces. Own the recognition cue and map before grinding algebra. Use the official exam PDF and model solution for full numeric work. Attack with the Category 2 checklist. Step 1. Name decrements, dependent rates, or forces. Step 2. Claim/cause probs from D-J/L. Step 3. State timing before converting rates. Step 4. If pricing follows, build EPVs under MD measure. After this sitting, climb higher rungs in Category 2 before switching families. Watch the matching strategy video for subtypes and grounded next variants. Audience setting is not made for kids' adult exam prep. Use the official sitting PDF and model solution for the full numeric walkthrough. Then climb the next rung in this category.